Prakata and Aprakata. When Krishna is before our senses, he is called Prakata. When Krishna is not manifest to our senses, he is called Aprakata. Prakata and Aprakata. Manifest and unmanifest. This is different from Prakrita and Aprakrita. No connection. Leave that aside. Sanskrit word, just like I told. What did I say? You can have experiential presence of God, and you can have you can feel existential presence of God through faith. Or you can call it as faith presence. Others is presence through our senses. This is presence through faith. But the fact is that he is there. But I am unable to see. I am not saying that I have faith that Krishna Nama is in the spiritual world. No. We are talking right here, he is there. I am not able to feel it. But I am not able to experientially feel. But I can feel with faith. Therefore, chanting has to be done with faith. That the unseen, unheard, transcendental Lord is also present on the tongue. He is present before me. That immediately alerts us, automatically gives us a feeling of none other than the Supreme Lord. I should give attention to him. Just like if a VIP comes into your house and he is a role model or you admire him, so you will all get panicky everywhere, how to receive him and, make all arrangements and turn the house inside out. Okay, tomorrow the VIP is coming to my house. Make all arrangements, is it not? Now here on our tongue, who is coming? Is he a VIP? Or is he a VVIP? Or is he a VVVVVIP? No. He is an infinitely important person. IIP. You put infinite B's. That person is coming on my tongue. Experientially, I am not a faith. Faith presence is, I should feel. And he will notice that, yes, he has got faith. He knows he cannot see me with his ears and tongue and mind, material things. But he knows I am present there. He is chanting with Shraddha, with faith that I am with him. So, one should chant and hear with faith that the sound that you chant and hear is Krishna himself. Namavatara means we already discussed combination of the Aprakrita Nama and the Shakti Avashanama. So they are the personalities who are on my tongue. If the person is not really there in the material world, if I think of my friend 100 miles away, let's say I create that faith presence. Actually, when I think of him, he is here, he is with me. It cannot be true because he is ordinary jiva. But that's not in the case of the Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He can be present before you, knowing very well that you are not able to access him through your material senses. It doesn't matter. But I am present. Because out of devotion you are serving the Shakti Avashanama, I am present. I will empower the Shakti Avashanama to give you all the energies that is required to purify your mind and senses. And then when your mind and senses are purified, then I will permit you to, I will give you the gift of experiential presence. With your own senses, with your ears, and that Shuddha Nama you can chant. Shuddha Nama is Krishna. Just like Krishna's form is, unlimitedly beautiful. Krishna's sound is also unlimitedly tasty.